Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change clothes color in Canva using Magic Edit. Change colors in Canva, easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just head on to canva.com, choose in a template that you want to use, and right after you'll get redirected here onto the editing page. So as you can see, we're currently onto the editing page already, and I have already added my own photo in here. So if you want to add your own photo, you'll just need to go ahead and click onto plus in here, drag and drop the images that you want to use, or you could make use onto the different stock photos, free stock photos or videos that are offered here on Canva, and you could see that under elements. And since I've added already the photo in here, so to go ahead and change the color of the cloth in here, you'll just need to click onto the photo in here, click onto edit image, and you should be able to find in the Magic Studio. Under Magic Studio, we have Magic Edit. Click onto that, and you need to select the area to edit. So we could go ahead and use brush, or you could go ahead and simply click onto the part that you want to go ahead and try to change. So I think the safest thing that you could do is to brush in here so that you could go ahead and try to just outline where you want to go ahead and try to change this. So for example, this one, the shirt, let's try to outline it just like that. And you could also adjust the brush size in here, and once done, you'll just need to describe your edit in here. So you could use inspire me in here if you don't have any idea and you want to be creative. But since we want to go ahead and try to change the color of the cloth, so let's just add in here, change the color to red. Right after, let's just click on to generate in here and let's wait for the edit to be done. You can see there are a lot of options to choose from already in here. You'll just need to choose onto which one is really applicable, just like this one. It has totally changed the color from yellow to red. And if you're not satisfied with this generation, you could just generate again for that. Now, once you have already chosen the right one, you'll just need to click onto done in here to apply the changes or the edits that you've made onto your photo. And that is just basically it, how you change clothes color in Canva using Magic Edit. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.